hey Mr. G, and I'm going to show you kind of a cool little lick in the A minor, C major pentatonic scale. And I'm going to break it down into 3 separate parts. And yeah, just have fun with it, expand on it. But let me kind of break this down for you. The first part of the lick, I was just kind of doing this. I play that open string, the 5th string, play it open. And just hammer around that index finger on that 5th string, 3rd fret. Then play that D, that 4th string open. And hammer around that index finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. So then I'm going to slide up that index finger to the 4th string, 5th fret. And then I'm going to hammer around that ring finger on the 4th string, 7th fret. You can play a little vibrato too. And then I'm going to play the 3rd string with my index finger on the 5th fret and vibrato that. So that first part is like this. The next part is kind of like this. So place that little finger on the 2nd string, 8th fret, and the ring finger on the 3rd string, 7th fret. And play those together, bend them, and I'm going to bend the ring finger up a lot more. And then I'm going to play the index finger on the 3rd string, 5th fret, and my ring finger on the 4th string, 7th fret. So I gotta go back and forth. Index finger, 3rd string, 5th fret, ring finger, 4th string, 7th fret, and back to my index finger, 3rd string, 5th fret. And then I'm just gonna kind of walk up and walk down this the same pattern. I'm gonna play little finger on the 2nd string, 8th fret, my ring finger on the 3rd string, 7th fret. I'll slide them up 2 frets. So the ring finger's on the 9th fret of the 3rd string, and the little finger's on the 10th fret of the 2nd string. Now slide them up 1, 2, 3 more frets. So the little finger's on the 13th fret of the 2nd string, and the ring finger's on the 12th fret of the 3rd string. Just slide it back down to the same positions you played before. Ring fingers on the 3rd string, 9th fret, and little fingers on the 2nd string, 10th fret. Slide down 2 more frets. So the little fingers on the 2nd string, 8th fret, and the ring fingers on the 3rd string, 7th fret. And you can kind of play that index finger there if you want again on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. Fun with it, man. You know, it's kind of mixed up a little bit. And then the last part, I'm just going to kind of come up here and play that C major pentatonic scale there. I'll place my middle finger on the second string of the 13th fret. Play that note. I'll play my third string there with the ring finger on the 14th fret. And then I'm going to play that note and pull off to the index finger on the 12th fret of the third string. It's kind of cool, yo. Ring finger on the 14th fret of the 4th string. Index finger now on the 12th fret of the 4th string. Just kind of walk that back up. So you can hammer it, that's kind of cool. Take that index finger on the 12th fret of the 4th string, play that, and then hammer on with the ring finger on the 14th fret of the 4th string. Play that index finger on the 12th fret of the 3rd string, and then hammer on with the ring finger on the 14th fret of the 3rd string. Like this. And then place that middle finger on the 2nd string, 13th fret. And then I'm going to play 3 more notes. I'm going to place my index finger on the 12th fret of the 1st string. Place my little finger on the 15th fret of the 1st string. And then slide up onto the 20th fret of the 1st string with that little finger. Hey, Mr. G again, kind of a cool little lick there. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep on jamming.